Hello and namaste. Welcome to Next Gen Quick podcast, where we are rewriting the rules of inspiration. I am your host Shambhavi Sharma. So grab your headphones, kick back, and let's get this podcast started. So today with us is someone who I believe anyone who's preparing for ALIT must have seen him on YouTube. He got All India Rank 2 year ago, and obviously I guess we have guessed it by now. We have Kanav with us. Hi Kanav,
Hi, Shambhavi.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. Firstly, thank you so much for joining. And even while I was preparing for Reddit, I've seen so many videos of yours. So it's just so great to just sit here with you and ask when my entrances are over for others.
Um, sure. Thank you for such a good introduction, firstly. And yeah, those videos have just been to try people, like to just help out people. So that's pretty much it. But thank you for the introduction. And yeah.
So when did you actually think that हाँ मेरे को law करना है and ALET is the one I want to focus, or it wasn't initially the one? So how did you just get over there?
So basically, for me, the journey has been a bit long in the sense that I had decided in sixth grade that I'll do law because one of my neighbors had cracked that, and so then I got to know कि law is a good career option. And next, my family is just filled with engineers, and my father is a CA. So as such, we don't have exposure to law. So I was the first one deviating from engineering or CA, the basic मतलब जो इंडियन हाउसहोल्ड्स में देयर आर प्रोफेशंस. So post that like I knew कि sixth में कि I have to do law, and in ninth I decided कि I need to take up things seriously because I had never been the top student or never actually taken my academics much seriously. But after certain things in life, I decided I need to do this. This is one thing that I'm generally not doing anything in my life right now, apart from maybe MUNs. But then in ninth, I started like here and there just preparing for it, going through newspapers, understanding what this exam is. And back then, the pattern was something else. So then it changed. So yes, 9th, 10th, I did not do much. But yes, I was aware of the exam ka needs and everything, and I met my mentor.
Okay.
So he sort of like just gave me more exposure to the field of CLAT and everything. He made me understand कि NLUs कैसे better, मतलब what an NLU is about, and if I like the idea. Like he just started to tell me about the life there, so I can make a conscious decision if I have to go there or not. And matlab, the more he told me, the more assured I got that I need to do EIU. And then 11 started off. Then I started preparing very seriously for it to such an extent that in my school was secondary and CLAT was the primary thing. And I told this to my teachers and my principal and everyone. So I had an understanding with them that I would not go to school. I would rather go to my coaching and study. So 11, 12 was very chill in terms of school, but CLAT, ELET I did a lot for. And yeah, post that, it happens. Yeah.
So ALET has always been your priority, or it was by time that you gained interest and just got a better score there?
So I like A-Late and NLU Delhi was my priority because I like two major reasons. Number one, I am from around Delhi, right? So I had this in mind that I want to stay around close to my home because genuinely it's a very very privilege just having to like I have the option of going to my home every weekend. Genuinely, it feels like a blessing. And secondly was that NLU Delhi was formed in 2008, while NLS is the other option which you might think of, right? So NLS was formed in 1980 something, and in just 2000, in just so few years, NLU Delhi has gotten a rank of two in a, like NIRF and all that, and so the growth in this university has been substantial and very great. So that factor was always there. That I like that is what my mentor taught me. Ki basically, after certain years, NLU Delhi will be better than an endless and in like placement wise, and also the fact that law का पूरा epicenter ही Delhi है, तो फिर generally we get better internships because of that fact. And so yes, in general I had this in mind कि NLU Delhi I need to clear, and for that ALET. But yes, I gave CLAT equally with equal amount of seriousness, but unfortunately because the CLAT paper during my year was very messed up, like the recent year as well. So I could not score very well in that. I got a rank of 1032, and 1 week down the line I had A-Lit. So the whole idea was कि एक हफ्ते में I knew कि मेरा पेपर खराब गया है, तो the whole idea was कि एक हफ्ते में I need to build back my confidence and just attempt once more. So and thankfully that went well. So yes.
So, I guess in that, like you told, your clat went a bit like raw, like not how you expected it. So you had that 1 week. So usually people just tend to lose hope then when one of their exam goes wrong. And similar happened to me when my clat exam was like, what was this? And then I had 1 week for ALET, and usme there was a couple of days when I was just not able to get over what happened in clat because we were preparing for it for so long. So what's the attitude that if God forbid this happens again? So how should students just approach that?
And that is actually like I believe one point in life job I have shown strength to a great extent. But so during that time, like what helped me out, like honestly, I can get that feeling. I still remember because I had this notion that I prepared for 4 years for this exam. Everyone does it like max 2 years or less or something. And I genuinely put in a lot of work. For the first time in my life, was I, giving mocks daily, after trying out test papers. I just made my whole life of at least 11th and 12th about CLAT. So जब इतना ज़्यादा effort you put in तो and also when you're getting very good scores मतलब I did not have a bad mock इतना ज़्यादा end तक अच्छा हो गया था कि 12th में I did not मतलब मेरे हिसाब से बुरा होगा बट इन जनरल माई रैंक एंड परसेंटाइल वाज वेरी गुड तो इन दैट सिनेरियो you start creating expectations not just like खुद से but also people around you start creating expectations so my coaching if I tell you they were vouching that I'll get rank 1 and मेरे माइंड में वही था कि I'll get AIR 1 like irrespective unless अगर ये सब तो कुछ वो नहीं AIR 1 भी क्या नहीं है and could not, when I gave the paper, I understood. And when I left the center, I understood कि rank one तो नहीं आ रही. And that in itself was a very big failure for me. कि you prepared 4 years for this paper. Still you can't do this. So मतलब that just sort of weakens your own confidence in yourself. And then like I मतलब आंसर की जो भी आती है I matched it and everything and my felt like I prepared with 4 people so उन सब में मेरे ही ज़्यादा मार्क्स आते थे usually तो मेरे उनसे भी कम आ रहे थे 4 people that I prepared with even they are getting much higher than me then I understood कि the cutoff is going to be really high and I'm going to get a very bad rank and this realization I got like one day after class so post that, I was very disheartened. Kyuki, and yes, confidence was not there. I lost all my faith, sab kuch, and like faith in God, faith in universe, and you start questioning everything. Ki, genuinely, why me? Like, why did God do this? Yes, I think a lot comes to your mind. But this is where my family helped me out a lot. My mentor helped me out a lot. They just made me realize कि I have one more attempt. And there's something which I also realized at that time कि genuinely रोने के लिए पूरा 6-7 महीने है मतलब कॉलेज जब भी शुरू होगा अगर अभी एक हफ्ता है इफ आई कैन मे बी पुट इन एफर्ट देयर इज अ चांस कि आई माइट टर्न थिंग्स अराउंड and also this idea started kicking in ki that will make my story much more interesting that you messed up flat and then you did well in it so yes with just not much thinking into it and with certain changes I went and gave it so yeah.
Firstly, kudos for that because when similar thing happened with me that we all came out of CLAT and we all were in shock that what was this paper this year and
Mhm.
then we had 1 week we had to prepare for ALET and my goal as well as that it was ALET that I have to go to NLU Delhi so ALET went much better and my rank at ALET was very good but it was not good enough for those 40 seats in NLU Delhi so at the end, it became so disheartening. And one thing which I want to say, and I guess even you will believe with this, that we all have been put with the notion of NLU so much that we have just blocked that our plan A is just NLU and it's just over there. So it was just so emotional roller coaster at that point that none of us, in fact, many of my friends, they didn't even apply for like Symbiosis exam or any other private university, and it ended up because this year CLAT was messed up. Let's be real. And people who were scoring way above me scored way less than me, and people who were scoring below me scored like people who did not even prepare scored exceptionally this time for some reason. So it was just people were so confident that we will get into an NLU that they did not apply anywhere else and ended up losing all the chances that they had. So, what is one advice that you give at this point? Because I hope someone had given me the advice before that for this situation.
So firstly, I'll say कि I get that feeling कि you prepared very hard with this idea कि there's this institute जहाँ बस घुसना है, life changes, just the perfect place, and so the idea is it's a good place. But genuinely questioning your whole confidence and everything based on and your faith in yourself, which is the most important thing, based on a paper which is too messed up. Like on a paper which is as unpredictable as CLAT, that's just unfair to your own self. And matlab, it's you genuinely you know ki how much hard work you have put in. You deep down you know ki what is my potential, and at times it will feel ki like जितना potential था ना justice नहीं हुआ, and a lot of people who did not deserve they are getting much better colleges. But at that moment you need to realize कि law as a profession and everything genuinely clad elite या फिर जो भी NLU वगैरह है, it's just a tag with which you start off. But what you do inside whatever college you go, that is what matters, and that matters to a very great extent. मतलब अब there are a lot of competitions, right? उसमें it's not necessary कि हमेशा NLU Delhi NLU Bangalore is what gets the best rank, या फिर इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि जो ए लेट AIR 1 या मतलब AIR 1 वगैरह थे वही NLU दिल्ली में आके टॉप कर रहे हैं, अच्छा कर रहे हैं, मूव ADR वही लोग कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. The idea is that smart people find a way out irrespective, and you should just not be bogged down by the idea ki rank nahi aayi, or maybe I'm just not made for it ye sab kuch. You should just give your best when you go to any law college that you can find. And um, like there will be a lot of people genuinely. I know a lot of my friends who deserved way better colleges but they could not do well in CLAT elite, but still they're doing very well in life. Like they went to their colleges, their respective colleges, and they're doing very well in life. They're happy in life. They are doing moves, they're doing ADRs, they're doing well in their college life, and that is what matters at the end, right? And they will do well. So just don't be in this boxed idea या फिर इतना parochial approach मत रखो कि NLU नहीं हो तो life खत्म. It's generally the starting point of your college and matlab, of your academic life, and where you end up will not be dependent upon where you start, but rather how you did in your college and everything. So yeah, just don't be bogged down, and yeah, that's my message. So
Yes, and even with, I guess we should have that plan B and plan C, and we should even work.
yeah,
Yeah, it's not just plan A, have plan B, plan C. It's not like you don't work for them, but it's like just have them because
exactly.
you never know what life is and how things turn out.
Exactly, like that is a very important thing. Like just having अपने सारे options open, because what it is, like you just have to fill out a form, right? नहीं हो जाता तो फिर मत देना paper. It's as simple as that. So it's better to just give out this paper. मतलब I had this idea कि once I give CLAT A-Lit उसके बाद मैं बहुत सारे फालतू एग्जाम्स दूंगा, और मतलब कुछ भी जो भी 12th में दे सकते हो, just to just see कि क्या होगा. Although मतलब I did not get the time for that, and frankly after boards I was just exhausted, so I did not get. But in general, I believe it's a good idea. So yeah, as you said, have a plan B, and that just gives you an assurance that this is not the end of the world. If I see CLAT में, I had this in mind. I wanted कि CLAT पहले हो, क्योंकि CLAT में I would have went in with the idea कि this is not the end of the world. मेरे को तो ऐसे NLU दिल्ली चाहिए, और इसमें जो भी रैंक आती है does not really matter. And once I would have done my CLAT सही से, then I would have this assurance कि एक अच्छा कॉलेज तो मिल ही रहा है, तो A लेट अब आराम से कर लेते हैं. So it just brings a sense of security. Although हाँ, that did not work clearly, but yes, it's a good plan to have.
Okay, I had the same plan and it did not work for me as well. So,
But that's completely fine. So yeah.
so going forward, there's a difference of GK when it comes to CLAT and ELET. So how do you like people usually prepare for them together? Like ठीक है एक ही preparation, just bit different, so they don't think about it इतना. So how? But there is a bit difference when you go to legal and GK. So how do you think people should look up to them and like उसमें क्या different preparation करनी चाहिए?
So specifically about GK was my strong suit, and the way I did that was like just having a bit of curiosity about everything around you. And about difference between CLAT GK, A-Lit GK, genuinely I don't see much of a difference. Just that ki A-Lit mein you just need to maybe cram up thode one liners. Like CLAT mein what we do is ki we are much more focused towards those न्यूज आर्टिकल्स जहाँ से 5-6 क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं, राइट? कि मे बी आई नॉट, अब जैसे बहुत ही वन लाइनर सी न्यूज़ है कि इसरो ने कोई रॉकेट रैंडम सा कोई सैटेलाइट गई, उसमें 72 सैटेलाइट्स थे, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. दैट नंबर इन itself is not that big of a news कि ठीक है, हाँ, होते रहता है. बट मे बी इट विल बी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट विल नॉट बी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर क्लैट परस्पेक्टिव क्योंकि उस न्यूज़ से 5 क्वेश्चन ही मिल सकते, बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ए रिलेट परस्पेक्टिव. एंड एक और चीज़ which I'd seen was कि A-Rate बहुत ज़्यादा जनरल चीज़ें, मतलब जनरल अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा टेस्ट कर रहा है. जैसे मेरे टाइम में, I remember this question came up, कि which of the following players have not changed their IPL teams, and Virat Kohli was the answer. Although I'm not that much into cricket, but I just could not imagine him in any other
It was the
play.
same question, similar
Yeah,
question.
yeah. This time around, you guys had certain IPL का ही ना कुछ trophies related,
हाँ,
I guess.
कोई आईपीएल का कोई एक which I guess have not won even once or has won once, कुछ
So
ऐसे
that was
कुछ.
RCB, I suppose. Rajasthan Royals won the first time and that's the last time, I suppose. So, हाँ.
So there was some similar question. I remember.
Exactly. So they have some themes to look out for. These are like not something जो तुम न्यूज़पेपर में या फिर कोई तुम्हें पढ़ाएगा. This is something which comes with general awareness कि जब IPL देख रहे हो, just have थोड़ा curious mind कि oh किसने आता नहीं जीता, थोड़ा सा just search it up. So the idea is just to be curious around things which are around you, and like genuinely it helps a lot. कि अगर मतलब I at least try to do this कि जब भी I used to go to Delhi and I used to see any board of any government entity ऐसा कुछ, I'd just search it up. या फिर अपने घर में अराउंड भी कभी कोई गवर्नमेंट की कोई गाड़ी दिख जाए, कुछ दिख जाए जिस पे लिखा हुआ है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम, आई जस्ट टू सर्च इट अप. सो दैट इज व्हाट हेल्प फॉर जीके, एंड जस्ट बीइंग अवेयर ऑफ योर सराउंडिंग्स.
Okay, another thing which I want to add that helped me a bit, especially with ALET, was what I did was there is like just go to AI and I told it to give me 5 to 10 questions every day. So it was
हाँ,
like I was just going with 10 questions and it's giving me questions according to what comes into CLAT and ALET, and I'm just getting something which I don't know. I'll just look it up
हाँ,
with
मेक
more.
सेंस, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड स्ट्रैटेजी. लाइक मेरे टाइम तक चैट जीपीटी वगैरह वाज नॉट दैट प्रेवलेंट, ऑल्दो इट साउंड्स मतलब कि आई गिवन लाइक बहुत पहले पेपर, बट जनरली तब तक चैट जीपीटी इतना वो नहीं था
That's true.
prevalent.
It just came within a year or something.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली, सिंस 1 year and it has changed law school and everything, like genuinely a lot of things. So but that's a very good strategy. And apart from that, one more thing which I remember, मतलब ये जनरल अवेयरनेस वाला ही, and this is very important कि like a lot of people don't get it, but GK is the most important section. क्योंकि you see कि लॉजिकल इंग्लिश फॉर इंग्लिश स्पेसिफिकली, लॉजिक और इंग्लिश में एवरीवन विल गेट द सेम मार्क्स जो एक अच्छे लेवल पर है. अब इफ आई टेल यू द रैंक डिफरेंशिएशन अमंग, मतलब जो टॉप 10 वगैरह भी, इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ जीके. कि जीके में जिसके ज्यादा मार्क्स हैं उसकी रिलेटिवली ऊपर रैंक है. जीके एंड लॉजिकल, दीज वर द टू सेक्शंस व्हिच डिफरेंशिएटेड. क्योंकि एटलीस्ट मेरे टाइम में इंग्लिश वाज वे टू इजी, तो एवरीवन गॉट इट राइट. एक दो क्वेश्चन का फर्क था इधर उधर. बाकी लॉजिकल में देवर सर्टेन क्वेश्चन जो ट्रिकी थे, जो सही आंसर करके वो ऊपर हो गए, और दूसरा जीके. And GK में like personally what had happened with me was I attempted 149 questions, right, and I left the paper. And मतलब मैंने बहुत urgency से करा था, तो I got the paper done बहुत पहले, 20 मिनट 20 minutes something I had left, और 149 questions were done. And then I don't know why what just struck me, मुझे लगा यार 150 is a very good number. एक एक खाली OMR बस अच्छी नहीं लग रही. So I just randomly attempted this one GK question. Had I not done that, I would have been AIR one. So that's a regret. And that question was very simple. Ki, which of the following does not have an Indian CEO? So again, something which comes with curiosity. Ki, or answer was, मतलब I marked Chanel, but answer was Red Bull या कुछ ऐसे. So that comes with curiosity. अगर किसी को बस Red Bull देख के लगा, ओ इसका CEO क्या है, कौन है? मतलब these are brands we come up, we listen to in everyday lives and everything, ना. So just have a curiosity wala mind and everything, and it will help you sail through.
Yes, I agree. And even with ALET, we have analytical reasoning, जो दो इस साल CLAT में भी आया था, which was again something people were shocked about because people who usually focus on CLAT don't look up to AR that much. Because
Hmm.
AR is, let's be real, a bit complicated. You need a good amount of practice for it. So, what is your see? My AR was strong, so I was happy with that. But what is your advice to look up to analytical reasoning?
An article. Firstly, were you a commerce wala student? Yeah, मतलब
Humanities.
humanity wala. Because a lot of humanity students don't have good AR वगैरह. I did not have a very good hold at AR in the beginning, but again, like I just did. एक आर्यंत की बुक आती है over analytical reasoning. So I just did that, and I did MK Pandey. और
There
plus
is one
AR
more
में
Harvey.
Which one?
Wiley. I
Yeah, I know.
uh,
AR
just
के I did not try उसका. I did CR from that. एक
okay.
ग्रीन कलर की बुक आती थी, तो आई read that उस पर हाँ, I वही any book is good जो विच कैन हेल्प यू आउट, क्योंकि ए आर इज समथिंग जिसमें बहुत सारा कंटेंट इज देयर, मटेरियल इज देयर, गुड रिसोर्सेज आर देयर, यूट्यूब पे वीडियोज आर देयर. It's just you doing it, and a lot of times I think it's just the scare, like just the fear of not doing it. Like genuinely, maths भी a lot of humanity students just have a fear कि हमसे नहीं होगा. But in reality, it's very simple. Like you just need to get to do that. Or this is what I believe 11th का initial months went into this fear only कि मेरे से AR नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा. But once I started doing it, I got good at it, and yeah, it's easy. So the idea is just don't be, like just don't have a fear of any section.
I would also agree because I'm from humanities. I did not have maths, and when I got to that, we have a whole section of 12 marks QA in CLAT, and I was like, yeah, I dropped maths last year, and now I have to go through it again. But when you understand the concepts are really simple, it's just the way they twist the words that make it very complicated. And we all have this approach that maths to nahi honi hai, and it
Exactly.
ends up us getting very confused with this. So, but if
Exactly.
I guess we practice even one caselet of CLAD for CLAD every day and few questions of AR, it is well enough because it's just the you need to understand the questions are complicated, but the concepts are really easy over there.
Makes sense, and that's a very precise analysis, and that's true. So yeah, makes sense.
You agree with that, right? Completely.
हाँ agree. Like I मेरा तो मैथ्स का fear, like maths is that one section जो थोड़ा बच गया था till the end. I did it like बहुत ही 3-4 months before the exam. I was like कि oh no, अब ये तो इतना करना ही पड़ेगा. And I had this goal. So like one of my batchmates now, and we prepared together. Adya, so she was damn good at maths. Like वो commerce with maths वाली student थी, तो उसके लिए ये वाली maths तो was like genuinely child's play. And वो so we used to solve maths together and everything, and वो आर्यभट्टा उसने ये सब करा होता, तो उसके लिए बहुत ही easy था. And she always used to get a perfect score irrespective of the fact कि कितना मुश्किल आ जाए, maths उसका हमेशा perfect score आता था. So my goal was कि उससे अच्छा करना है, तो thankfully like बिल्कुल end में I remember एक mock में आद्या के 8 out of 12 आए थे और I got 9 out of 12. तो I was very happy, बिल्कुल जो last mock था. तो that day I was like कि हाँ ठीक है, I have done math इतना अच्छा कि आते से ज़्यादा आ रहा है. Maybe she had a bad day that day, but at least it gave a lot of confidence to me.
Any win is an actual win over here during
Exactly.
class. So, when we talk about AR, it also comes that many people are confused with logical reasoning and English. Like even I was very confused when it comes to topics like that. Okay, what should be the topic of this article, or what would the author be thinking? So, or what would be the profession of the author? So that is at places where I used to be very confused within two options. So, what would you give advice to students giving it right now?
Like it happens a lot in CLAT. Botha section में will be stuck between two options. So what I personally did was कि एक तो with experience it comes कि जब जितना ज़्यादा पेपर दोगे you get to know. मतलब मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया था कि I knew कि अगर CL का मौका है तो I knew कि क्या आंसर होगा, लीगल एज का मौका है तो क्या आंसर होगा, और क्लैट है तो असल में क्या आंसर होगा, क्योंकि दे हैव थोड़ा सा न्यूएंस रीजनिंग. तो जस्ट डू क्वेश्चंस बहुत बार तो यू गेट टू नो क्या करना. और ऊपर से सेकेंडली आई यूज टू एलिमिनेट, मतलब एलिमिनेशन आई यूज टू फॉलो. तो उसमें जब दो ऑप्शन आई एम वेरी क्लोज, तो आई यूज टू रीड ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड ऑफ दैट ऑप्शन वेरी केयरफुली, एंड एक कॉमा या फिर कभी एक एक वर्ड उसमें लिखा होगा एक सेंटेंस में विच टोल्ड मी कि ये तो आंसर नहीं हो सकता. जैसे बहुत बार कभी एक्सट्रीम वर्ड यूज हो गया कि ऑल, ये सब कुछ, तो यू नो कि दिस कैन नॉट बी द आंसर. Apart from that, one thing which helped me a lot was in ALET, I went with a sense of urgency कि this one paper जो लास्ट टाइम कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था लोगों का, तो लास्ट टाइम इट जस्ट बिकेम अ गेम ऑफ कि कौन ज़्यादा अटेम्प्ट करके आ पाया. कि लोगों ने 145 करे थे और एवरेज अटेम्प्ट जो AIR वन, आई रिमेंबर शी डिड 140 क्वेश्चंस, 145 क्वेश्चंस, और यूजुअल अटेम्प्ट वाज 115. सो दैट एसेंशियली मेंट कि उसका सिलेक्शन तो आराम से हो रहा है. सो लाइक दैट इज व्हाट आई ट्राई टू डू कि मतलब स्टार्टिंग में कि पेपर कंप्लीट नहीं होगा, दैट वाज द आइडिया मेरे माइंड में. तो आई डिड विद अ लॉट ऑफ अर्जेंसी, और उस चक्कर में आई डिड नॉट गिव माई सेल्फ द टाइम टू ओवरथिंक. आई थॉट कि यार एक क्वेश्चन अभी, क्योंकि बहुत बार होता है तुम क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो एंड इट फील्स कि ओके आई नीड टू गेट दिस राइट, देन यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट इट और तुम्हें लग रहा है कि प्रीमा फेसी दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, बट लेट मी रीड इट क्योंकि दिस इज ए लेट, ये सब कुछ माई लाइफ डिपेंड्स ऑन इट एंड ये सब. सो यू try to read it और ज़्यादा अच्छे से, and उस चक्कर में you overthink and you mark it wrongly. I did not do that at all in ELET. So these are certain things which help, and apart from that, just practice a lot, and that is the only way to go about it.